You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is u smaller than 23 over 5 smaller than 43 over 5. Let's solve it step by step. Group all u terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract u from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 6 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the u. Divide both sides by 5. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is u smaller than 23 over 5 smaller than 43 over 5.